Hello and welcome. Greg here from Motor Match Crewe. Today bring you this great looking Audi Q5 SUV. This particular example is the Q5 TDI 40 Sport S-Tronic Quattro, finished in this lovely blue metallic color. Key equipment highlights will include automatic projection headlights with signature LED daytime running lights. As a Motor Match vehicle, it will also benefit from minimum 30-day 1,000-mile warranty, so you can buy it today with complete peace of mind. Round the side, large alloy wheels will complement the exterior paintwork, and also for you to enjoy it, there's also a lovely large roof rails. Round the side, you can also find in the rear plenty of legroom and headroom for up to 3 passengers, with the upholstery finish in black leather. The passengers in the rear will get their own climate control, air vents, magazine holders, and there's even 2 ISOFIX shadow anchor points. Full LED rear taillights are on offer, as well as a power opening and closing tailgate, revealing an absolutely cavernous boot space. You can always create more space by folding the rear seats down. A quick glimpse in the front of the cabin will also unlock a virtual cockpit for the driver, leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel, with front sport seats offering additional side lumbar support for added comfort. I hope you enjoyed this brief 360-degree exterior tour of this Audi Q5. Before we move inside the cabin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with our latest stock and content. And if you are enjoying watching this particular video, why not hit on the like button now or leave us a comment or question about it in the section below. Once inside the cabin of this Q5 Sport, there's loads for you to enjoy. The cabin is incredibly stylish and has a beautiful design about it, whilst the driver control panels are easy to reach and logically laid out. The multifunction steering wheel can operate most of the vehicle functions from the wheel whilst on the move, and the virtual cockpit is a joy to use. Featuring a number of trip information about the vehicle itself, it also offers so much more in terms of warnings functions such as fuel range, music, Bluetooth, and also satellite navigation that can be displayed ahead. You can also minimize or maximize the dials to give you a better view. The floating MMI navigation system will also replicate most of the car's functions. Audi Drive Select modes will let you choose from different drive modes, whilst the sound system can be fully optimized to individual tastes. If you will be happy to know, all your radio needs are delivered via AM, FM and DAB digital radio reception, with additional media source inputs available such as those displayed on the screen. Also, pairing your phone couldn't be easier with the vehicle, and also full satellite navigation is easy to use, and the map itself supports both 2D and 3D views. Audi connected services are also available should you wish to use them as an optional extra, and if that wasn't enough, full smartphone interface will unlock Apple CarPlay and AndroidAuto. Helping you park is a pair of front and rear audible and visual parking sensors as well. As we move down the cabin, easy to use 3-zone climate control system is available, fully complemented by a winter pack heated front seats for the front of the cabin. You can choose where the air blows, and it's incredibly easy to use. Touch sensitive pad is also easy to operate whilst on the move, and also the center armrest features loads of cable storage as well as a wireless smartphone charger. This has been a presentation of the Audi Q5 Sport S-Tronic Quattro that is now available to view and test drive at our dealership, along with a range of flexible finance options. To find out more information about it, get in touch with our friendly sales team today, either by calling on the number listed in the description, or better yet, why not click on the link directly to take you to the car's webpage. Many thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, and we look forward to hearing from you.